Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's Divine and today is actually March 5 and I'm going to take my graduation photo today. So yeah, here's my makeup look. Walk into the place. So yeah, I'm just waiting for my mom to finish and yeah, we're going to Manila.
Summer rain on a window. Watch the time float on. Cool air blows a memento as I fall behind. I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future. Maybe I'll be better when we're old enough. Hey, I'm sorry for dreaming about the future. You and I'll be better when we're old enough. Take apart all the good things, stripped away what's there to do. So many times I tried, but I just don't remember.
Hey guys! It's March 6 today and it's a day after my graduation photo pictorial. After the pictorial, nung pag-uwi namin, I was supposed to shoot a small haul for you guys. May mga makeup na binili ko for the graduation shoot and yung bag na binili namin from Greenbelt. However, I was so tired na talaga since I woke up at around 4 a.m. Since yun nga, nagpa-makeup ako and all. And then we traveled from Pampanga to Manila pa just to get my photos taken. And then we traveled back from Manila to Pampanga. So it was a very tiring day for me. And that's why, ayun, sa sobrang pagod ko, I decided to just film it today, guys. I guess I'm going to start na. So I'd probably start with the makeups na binili ko for my graduation shoot. Although nagpa-makeup ako for the pictorial, I decided to buy a few things lang. Yung mga setting spray and all that, lipstick and stuff. Just so meron akong gamit pang retouch sa studio. So here are the things that I bought. So I bought these items from Moon Beauty. So I got this body glow and it's in the shade Quartz. So it's actually an illuminator for your body. So naglagay ko dito sa neck area and shoulders area. However, nalaman ko na bawal pala yung mga kumikinang-kinang sa toga shot, ganun. So ayun, pinowder din. So ayun. So, yung mga magpapa-graduation shoot dyan, I suggest na wag muna kayo maglagay ng ganito. During the toga shot, maglagay na lang siguro kayo after that, like pag sa creative shot na. So, ayun. So, next up, we have this another item from Moon Beauty. It's actually a highlighter and it's in the shade Moonlight. Same thing with this. Nung nagpapa-toga shot ako, picture ako for my toga shot. Tinanggal din yung highlight ko here kasi di ba nagpa-makeup ako and then nagdagdag ako ng bit of highlight dito sa nose area ko. Pero bawal pala yung sobrang kinang sa toga shot. So ayun, pinowderan ulit. Tapos naglagay na lang ako after nung sa creative shot na. So ayun guys, take note kung magpapa-graduation photo kayo. So, the things that I got from MAC Cosmetics. So, the first one, ito talaga yung sinadya ko sa MAC, actually. It's MAC Fix Plus. Kinuha ko yung bagong version. It's actually MAC Fix Plus Magic Radiance. So, ayun, all-day hydrating spray. Unlike the original one, the classic one, diba? So, it's an all-day hydrating spray. And meron din siyang vitamin C. And sabi sa akin ni ate seller, mas long-lasting daw yung effect nito compared dun sa original one. So, yeah, I got this instead. Ayun. And then, yun nga, may makeupan ako. And para hindi mahulas yung makeup ko sa biyahe, since yun nga, medyo malayo yung binahe namin, bumili ako nito. And, yeah, nag-spray ako para hindi matanggal yung makeup agad. Ayun. And then, this one, hindi ko siya pinlano bilhin, but, oh well, you can't have too much makeup, you know. Bumili ako nito. It's actually MAC, it's the Tiny Tricks Mini Lipstick Trio, and I got the neutral one. So, actually, naka-sale to. So, super sulit. Original price ng ganito is 1.5. And then, sa Shopee and Lazada ata, it's 1,350. But guys, I only got this for 900 pesos. So, basically, parang 300 pesos each lang, diba? Super steal na. So, these are the shades. I'm gonna show it to you guys. Oops. So, the first shade, we have Snappy Go Lucky. So, this is the shade. Ayan. And then, we have, what's this? Slay of Grand. And then last, we have this Auspicious. So these are the shades. Super pretty, right? I only got this for 900 pesos. So yeah, that's all of the things that I got from MAC. And last but definitely not the least is the bag that I got from Greenbelt. So actually, this bag is a graduation gift of my tita. Hi Tita Mila, if you're watching my vlogs. Thank you so much for this graduation gift. I really appreciate it. Hope you can come home in the Philippines so I can thank you in person. So without further ado, I'm going to show you the bag already. Ta-da-da. So the paper bag is big. So it's actually from, sabi ni Chris Uy, Longchamp. So nasa box pa siya. Ayan. So wait, let me read what. Wait, okay. Alright, so this bag is the Le Pliage City Shoulder Bag. Ayan. So, according to the sales lady, this is the latest parang design of the Le Pliage line, I guess. So, let's see. And then, ayun. I originally wanted the classic brown and black na bag ng Le Pliage. But then, wala silang available. So, I decided to get this instead. Material is much more nicer compared to the classic one. So, yeah. Here it is. Ta-da! We open it muna. Alright, so this is the bag. It's super nice. Then, ta-da! It's super nice. Very pang working girl na talaga. So, ayan. Let's remove this as well. Here's the inside of the bag. Ta-da! I'm not really sure with the material of this, but it kind of looks like leather, but I'm not really sure if it's leather or what. Basta nagustuhan ko lang since sabi nga ng mom ko maganda rin and all that. Yeah, it's very perfect for everyday use. Especially ako, marami na akong bit. Very, adulting na talaga. So yeah, this bag is super perfect for me. Ta-da! Yan. Super nice. So yeah, I guess that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Next vlog for this series would probably be my graduation, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!